Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Mehndi long-lasting. First, prepare your skin by washing it thoroughly with soap and water. Exfoliating gently helps remove dead skin, allowing for better stain absorption. It's crucial to avoid any lotions, oils, or moisturizers on the skin, as these can create a barrier. Make sure your skin is completely dry before the Mehndi paste touches it for the best possible start to a vibrant, enduring stain. For a deep, rich color, apply a thick layer of fresh, high-quality Mehndi paste. The longer the paste stays on your skin, the darker and more durable the stain will be, so aim for at least 8 to 12 hours. To prevent it from flaking off too soon, gently dab a sugar lemon sealant solution over the drying paste. This keeps it moist and helps the dye penetrate deeper. Be careful not to disturb or scrape the paste while it's drying. Once the Mehndi paste is completely dry, gently scrape it off using a dull knife or your fingernail. Do not wash it with water. It's vital to avoid any water contact on the stained area for at least the first 24 hours. After scraping, apply a natural oil, such as olive or coconut oil, to moisturize the skin and protect the stain. Keeping the stained area warm, perhaps by wrapping it, can also help deepen the color significantly. To truly extend your Mehndi's life, consistent aftercare is key. Moisturize your skin daily with natural oils or a specialized balm to keep the stain vibrant. Try to limit your exposure to water, particularly chlorinated pool water or salty ocean water, as these can fade the design quickly. Steer clear of harsh soaps, vigorous scrubbing, and chemical exfoliants on the stained area. Finally, protect your beautiful Mehndi from direct sunlight for prolonged periods to maintain its rich color.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.